we're doing another unboxing now. Usually we do bags, but just to give you guys a little bit of variety, we're just going to expand a little bit here into shoes. And at some point, I hope that we can do fragrance as well. But while we're on the topic of fragrance, I don't know what world you guys live in, okay? Where, what is it? MK? No, well, this one is horrible, first of all. This is not the one I was talking about, but I thought I liked this. And then as soon as I left the mall, I got in the car and I was like, what is that smell? And I realized it was this perfume on my arm. It had me running around here smelling like an old auntie. So this is a no for me. But this isn't the one I was talking about. I was talking about the Maison Francis, what is it, Kyrgyzstan or something like that. And I know I butchered that. But that Rouge 540, Who is that for? Your mama's mama's mama? Mama's mama's mama? Y'all need to get some old Outcast in your system because that is not your perfume. And it's not your auntie's perfume. That perfume is for no one, okay? I'm going to tell you straight like that. That perfume, I don't even know how so many of you YouTubers and influencers are going crazy over that. Like, what's wrong with my nose? Because that's a hard pass. And I tried smelling it on several occasions because I was like, well, maybe that's a no, guys. That's a definite no. So I need y'all to stop acting like everything that costs a lot of money is great, because I don't care how much that stuff costs. You couldn't pay me to wear it. It smells awful. Moving along. Now that I've ranted about that stinky perfume. So let's talk about shoes just for a second. And I say shoes loosely because while I do wear high heels, I actually don't wear them that often. It usually has to be a special occasion, holidays, birthdays, religious ceremonies, something like that. But these I saw and I caught on sale. So I had to just go ahead and get them. And I gotta be honest, this pattern is not usually for me, but it was for me this day. Oh, if I had some good socks on, I would try them on for you guys. Maybe I'll do that in a different video. Try on some shoes for those feet lovers. You don't love them? Really? I feel like they make your foot look small too, just like the Vans that I have. That's what the shape of them, the body of them reminded me of those Vans with the stripe that you love. When I saw them, I was like, oh, my foot's going to look super small in them Jones.
And how much were those?
I think I caught these on sale for under $300.
You could have literally customized your own Vans for under $100.
Well, I know, because we fool with Vans, but they're not Saint Laurent. They would be Vans then. You know what I'm saying?
You really just did it for the brand.
So, no, because I liked them because it was Saint Laurent, and I was actually looking for a pair of shoes to match with my Lulu. So originally I was looking at the all black Saint Laurent sneakers, and it has like a similar tan bottom. If I knew how to pan stuff in, I would insert a picture, but I'm not there in my YouTube life, so go ahead and search for those Saint Laurent sneakers with they're just like a little, I would call them like a little pair of Jeepers with like a tan bottom. So I originally was looking at those, but I think they were like $5, and I just didn't feel like paying $5 right now. I just purchased 2 pairs of what are those, Margiela sneakers, and I really liked the first pair, so I purchased the same pair in a black. But I wanted a pair of Saint Laurent sneakers to match my Saint Laurent bag. So I got these in lieu of the black ones, which I probably will.
Which one? That one?
Which one? What are you talking about? The shirt?
To my Saint Laurent bag or that one?
No, that one.
Okay.
That one. But you know what?
Possibly.
Yeah, because of the deep colors. Yeah, because of the deep browns. Yeah, this could potentially go with another Saint Laurent bag that I have. It's my first pre-loved piece that we're talking about, because it's a dark brown, and with all the deep shades of brown in here, I could probably pull it off. But yeah, these were for such a good price. I had to just go ahead and get them. But I'll probably wear these with my my Lulu though, because of the black right here in it, the black detail. So y'all could go with the brown YSL, or I could go with the black. But yeah, originally I was thinking about my black medium Lulu to go with these. I mess around and just do all black, keep it very basic, very monochromatic. Do black jeans, a black shirt, wear these sneakers, and then the Lulu or the Cabas thing. All right, so that's for that, people. Should we go ahead and open the other bag of shoes while we're here? Yeah.
Now these are ugly and will forever stay ugly.
Oh my gosh.
And the ugliest soldiers that's ugly.
Here we go. Everybody's a critic, guys. Everybody's a critic until they want to start borrowing your stuff.
I will never ask to borrow these. If I do, it would be a cool thing.
Oh my gosh.
Shoes are so ugly. Nah, there's definitely something wrong with me if I ever ask to borrow these. Like, sign me up for something.
I really could take the plastic off and just put them in their dust bag.
Baby crocodile right there.
These are custom made. First of all, y'all know that's not true. This is the Ostrich Embossed. Come on now, don't play with me. Actually, this company, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it would have to be embossed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it would have to be embossed. But I paid a grip,
And that's
so
how the
maybe
people
it's
would
not.
emboss are.
Okay, so sometimes you think something, okay, so for example, you would look at this and somebody might say it's ostrich. That's, people in the designer world call them exotics. So if it's really made from an ostrich, obviously it would be significantly more. So they call it exotic. And then if it's not an exotic, then it's what they call embossed, meaning they took a piece of leather and then they imprinted that pattern to make it look like it was original ostrich. So you might see it with like crocodile. It might not be real crocodile, it might be embossed, or you might see it with like snake skin or any sort of animal pattern. It might be embossed for the texture or for the look. It might not be an exact, or it might not be actual exotic. You know what I mean? But listen, let's be clear. Either way, you're spending a couple dollars, okay? So anyway, these are these sneakers. Now, originally, I purchased these at the same time. Go ahead and pull that bag out. I was thinking to wear these with this, because that's the type of stuff that I do. That's just the type of stuff that I do, okay? That's just where I'm at in life. And see, I would even do this. I could even do this with an ivory, like all ivory, or like off-white, wear off-white, winter white, all, yeah, oh, yep, to match the sole. And then just with the bag and the shoes. I feel like I might be able to pull it off. Perhaps. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so these are the ones she was saying she hates. But these, you won't find these in the store because I custom made them. The sole, the laces, the toe cap, the heel, everything. I put together myself. So these are literally a creation of my own. So I'm here for these. I just got to figure out what I want to wear with them.
You've had them for about 2 years and
No, I have actually had these for 2 years. No cap. Okay. Let me just put this in here because I do feel like I should probably take that out of the plastic, because the last thing I left in plastic for several years ended up getting mold. So take note, y'all. Take your stuff out of the plastic at least. Unless y'all about that mold life.
because then it starts to grow moisture.
Yeah, yep. A lot of people don't know that even when they get their clothes from the cleaners, they leave it in that that plastic bag. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Take your stuff out of there, okay? Just take your stuff out of there. Okay. Is that the one from that? All right, party people. So that's the footwear section of the videos today. Hopefully, if I learn how to edit a video, maybe I can put up the that's kind of my part right there. Maybe I can put up the video I did for my pre-loved YSL bag, if I can get the editing together that I need to for that. All right, catch you next video.